Once you get weaving, you're going to get to a point where your yarn is almost up to your straws. When either your yarn is almost up to your straws or you have 3 fingers of yarn weaving, what you're going to do next is you're going to take the tape off of your weaving. Okay, once you get the tape off, you can pull the straws up about halfway. Once you get all of your straws pulled up about halfway, you're going to continue to weave until you get to the top of your straws again. And when you get to the top of your straws again, you're going to do the same thing. You're just going to pull them up halfway again. If this string is bugging you, go ahead and cut that off. And then also, while you're weaving, if those start to kind of fall out, all you have to do is pull on the bottom and it'll tighten them back up. When you get to the point that your weaving is to the top of the straws and the weaving on the bottom is to the bottom of the straws, you're going to just continue doing what you did before. So you're going to pull the straws up about halfway. If the strings are kind of hanging out of the top, like this one right here, again, you're just going to pull on the bottom strings. I'll show you that. So you're going to pull on the bottom strings. And then your yarn weaving, so that'll fix that. And then your yarn weaving is going to go from being on the straws to being on those strings. Okay? So if we look at it from the side, the straws stop about here, and then now it's on the strings. When that happens, it's gradually just going to keep going down further and further. Sometimes the bottom string or two will start to look like it's unraveling like that. If that happens, that is totally fine as long as you have a couple knots in the bottom to keep it up in there. When you're weaving and your yarn gets all the way down to the first knot, you're just going to take out the first knot and continue. That'll be the same way for all of the different knots.